Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video I have shown you how to make a frog. So I'll give that video link in the description, so please watch it. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a butterfly. So let's start. So all you need is a piece of paper and a scissors. So now fold the paper to make a square. I made a A4 sheet into 4 pieces, and this is one piece of it. So now cut it. So after cutting it, so fold it properly. So now again turn this and fold it to that side. After folding it, you get back like this, and again turn back. Now fold it into half. So fold it. After folding it, unfold it again. Now you'll get like this. So now just push this paper, and join these two. Just push that and join these two. So again I'm repeating it. Just push in and join this side too. So now you'll get like this, a triangle shaped one. So now what you do is fold it into half. After folding it, you just fold this corner to upper corner. So fold it and fold this side too. So now unfold this, and now again fold it like this. Now what you do is, see this corner, now turn it this corner. So take the scissor, now cut it, the edges, cut the edges. It shouldn't be sharp, it should be curved edges. So now curve. So again unfold it. Now fold it again. So follow carefully. Down of these curves you will have a paper here. Now what you do is bring that paper up. It should not come up to here, it should come like this. See, take this paper up like this. The wing should be like this, not correctly, it should go back. So now fold this excess paper here, so you'll get like this. Now fold into middle, fold it. So our butterfly is ready. So see, okay. Ready. So see, I'm showing you. So ready. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So and comment below. So thank you. Bye bye. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please comment below. Bye bye.